please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will explore DNS footprinting, a technique used to gather information about a domain's DNS records and its target systems. This includes details such as domain names, IP addresses, and network configurations. This method helps attackers or ethical hackers map the network topology, uncover security vulnerabilities, and gain insight into potential weaknesses in a network. Let's begin the demonstration of DNS footprinting. To perform DNS footprinting, open your browser and search for MX Toolbox. From the search results, click on the first link, mxtoolbox.com, that appears. Once the tool opens, you will see a search bar in the top left. In the search bar, simply enter the domain name google.com and then click on MX lookup button beside the search bar. You will immediately receive details about the domain, such as the host name, smtp.google.com, its associated IP addresses, and the DMARC public policy. Now, let's explore more DNS-related information. Scroll down slightly on the page and click on DNS lookup. Now, you can see comprehensive DNS details, including DNS records published, DNS records found, the domain name, which is google.com, the IP address 172.253.63.100, and the TTL, time to live, which is 5 minutes. Next, if you want to verify the DNS check, click on DNS check. Under the results section, you'll find a detailed analysis, including the SOA serial number format is invalid. The SOA refresh value is outside of the recommended range. The SOA expire value is also outside the recommended range. These are important indicators of DNS misconfigurations that may be exploited or need to be corrected. You'll also notice information like DNS record found, no bad glue detected. And that's how you conduct DNS footprinting using MX Toolbox.